Alright, good morning guys. It's the 3rd of April. It's Friday morning and just coming up to about 9. And it's a little windy out, so I'll have to apologize for the wind noise right off the bat. But there's nothing else I can do about that, unfortunately. So we've got the panels out on display here in the sun. You'll notice that I have 4 panels. I actually went ahead and I did another panel yesterday. Didn't want to bore you with the details, but I'll go over each panel and you can weigh in as to what panel you like. I have my own personal preference and I'll tell you what that is at the end, but we'll just go through the 4 different panels individually and what I did. So the first panel was the first day spray out. This is with a full 1/8 teaspoon of the satin pearl. Second day spray out, this is with a 1/4 of a teaspoon, 1/4 of an 1/8 teaspoon of the silver pearl. You can see it's a lot more sparkly than the satin. Then we drop down to an 1/8 of an 1/8, and this is this panel here, and that's with the satin pearl. And then we dropped all the way down to a 1/10, so 1/10 of an 1/8 teaspoon. And a little bit of different spraying on this one, although it doesn't really look different. I did a quick pass on this one with the gun, went over very quickly, and did sort of a single non-overlapping pass just to see if that made a bit of a difference. And it doesn't look like it did actually make too much of a difference. But that is also with the satin pearl. So I think, first of all, let's talk about satin versus silver pearl. And I'm thinking personally that the silver pearl is just a little too sparkly for this car. I like it, but maybe just not on this car. It's a little bit over the top, I think. There's a lot of different colors in that sparkle, and yeah, I just don't think I'm digging it on a late 60s car. Something like the satin is more appealing to me, I think. I think that's personally a little too heavy. That's definitely too heavy. And again, this is just my own personal perception. I'm waiting for you guys to weigh in on this, but maybe I'll change my mind. So my personal preference is this very last one here. Again, we're trying to go for a bit of a ghosted stripe. This is still pretty non-ghosted, I would say. It's more ghosted than the others. I know my shadow's kind of getting in the way there. Maybe I'll try to move around afterwards, after I've done my talking. But there's the 4 panels for comparison purposes. I'll shut up now and just try to get some different angles on the panels so you can see them in some different light. Sorry about my shadow, but I do a pretty good job of blocking out the sun. Maybe I'll lay them down flat just so you can have a look at them while they're flat. I'll take a little bit more of a distance shot. Alright, I'll lay them down flat. Alright, here they are flat. You may notice that the first couple of panels have a different sort of gradation in the colors. I just didn't get the color all the way to the edges of the panels, so they're a little lighter on the edges. So I paid more attention to spraying the last 2 panels than I did the first 2 panels. I did the first 2 pretty quickly. and in the dark of the garage. So anyway, so I'd point that out. And we'll just do one more close pass. Alright guys, I think that's it. I'm not sure whether I'm going to do another panel. I think I'll be happy with something like this. But you guys let me know what your preference is. Maybe you like the sparkle. Let me know. Oh, and of course, no stripe is an option, or factory stripe is also an option, or decal is also an option. Consider those as well.